Alright guys, this is extra footage from our trip to Painesville, Ohio a couple weeks ago during a huge blizzard that hit basically everywhere from Ohio over to Buffalo, New York. There's like 3 foot of snow that came down in the trip that we took. 4-hour drive ended up taking about 12. We did make it to Painesville, Ohio, but they canceled the race. So this is just some kind of stock footage of what it was like, so I can look back later and be like, what a freaking dumbass we were. So yeah, enjoy.
Okay. Look at all the cool things we see.
I like your technique. Is that helping?
Yeah.
I don't really understand what's happening.
I don't know. Let's go.
Oh, there's definitely
Go
stuff.
talk. Just talk to this
He
man.
wants to talk to you. Video?
Is there a guy stuck down that way on 5? 5 is shut down down there?
Oh no. We can't get out of the state.
I've been stuck there since 12 o'clock. I've been stuck here by the exit by 12 o'clock.
Alright,
Thanks.
thanks.
So 5 is
So
shut
5 is shut down?
It says it is.
down. Interesting.
Somebody
'cause it
fucked the
doesn't-
detour up. It's going to be out, so.
So what does that mean?
We can't get out. Unless we're gonna just take back roads the whole way, which aren't gonna
We
be.
can't get to a back road in the situation we're in here.
Yeah,
I don't know,
Just
but you're
fucking
gonna
back
have
up.
to.
Well, the road comes out here too. Like you wanted to turn around, you can probably pull up there and turn around. But you gotta make sure you're gonna make the hill. You know? I don't know if your friends went with you.
I don't even see any tire tracks. Oh, I see more flashing lights.
Uh-oh. Well, hopefully that's just like, oh yeah, this you gotta turn.
At least we're fucking moving.
I mean, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know.
That just leads us back to 5 on this, and I don't want to do that. So.
You know, use this.
Yeah.
Is it blocked off?
I don't know. What the fuck
We're a
is that?
mile away from
Top.
No, it's off the road. Finger down.
He went off-roading.
Something like that. Stand.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it close to this fucking cop.
So be it.
Or his buddy or whatever.
So you need momentum. You gotta have it.
Oh, that's all we need is a stop sign.
Oh yeah.
No, we're good.
Like the stop sign's really
Oh.
gonna help us.
Where do we go though?
Straight. The 20 will be
Straight.
the next main
Yep,
road.
keep going.
I was watching it and it goes, it's like they open up the commenter. It was like, bro, I can still see this like before, even when I open up the commenter.
It's my pen.
It's my bench.
That's your bench.
I don't know how that.
Welcome back to Sparks and Recreation.
We're done.
What are we doing?
We're done. RVing, doing derby, enduro stuff.
We're heading to an enduro.
The RV's parked over there.
We're stuck in a state of emergency that all the roads are closed except for the ones we keep finding.
You mean the back roads? That
The
we
back
waited
road.
5 hours to get on.
Dude, it'd take 5 hours to go 20 miles. But we're finally on a road that's open.
And we got McDonald's.
Heading to Painesville.
Because we haven't eaten anything all day.
Mickey Danks. Everything's closed. Alright. We are hour 10 into our 4.5 hour trip to Painesville, Ohio. RV's over here. Got the McDonald's. This is Route 20. It's like the only road we found that's actually passable. So we're gonna just keep following that to Ohio. It's like, what, 9 o'clock at night? 9:30, something like that. Hopefully we get in a spot to sleep at some point. And we still have to gas up the fucking enduro cars in the RV before we pull in for the night somewhere. So I just wanted to throw together this footage before it actually got deleted out of my phone to make room for new content. Thanks for tuning in if you did make it through this. It's really just more of a look back at what freaking dumb shit we've done. And we did eventually make it to this race 2 weeks later. If you want to see the footage of how that went, you're more than welcome to click on the video. It's going to say Painesville, Ohio Turkey Leg 150 2024 if you find that under our Enduro playlist. Thanks for watching. That was a wild night. That was probably some of the worst driving I've ever had to do, especially in a rear-wheel drive RV with 2-car trailer on the back. It was sketchy as hell, and we did make it through it. It was pretty fun. So catch you guys in the next one.
Used to drift at night under the stars.